Welcome everybody, my name is Parker. I'm a mechanical engineer with McCormick Stevenson, and just for context, I did intern with McCormick Stevenson for just over 2 years while I was going to USF before getting hired on full time. So I have been where you are before, and this is supposed to be a sample video for the TBEIA Engineering Internship Mixer. It's a little different this year where we have to record videos to show ourselves to these companies. It's definitely a challenge, but I honestly think if you put in some effort into this, you can link this on your resume or put it on your LinkedIn, and you can use this as a resource to show companies your personality and show them what value you bring to their company. Resumes say a lot about what you've done, but these videos are supposed to show what you can do. And we're really interested in your interest, your hobbies, maybe something you're proud of with that you did at work or school. The important thing is to explain those things, but also explain how they bring value to employers. I did record a sample video, how I would do it if I was in your position, and let's get started. Good to see everybody. My name is Parker. I'm a mechanical engineering student at the University of South Florida, go Bulls, and currently in my junior year. I have over 3 years of experience at Publix, which goes to my persistent work ethic, and also my practiced interpersonal skills and customer service experience. Currently, I work as a valet, where I continue practicing those customer service skills, but also I'm in charge of the safekeeping of high-value vehicles and training new employees. In high school, I volunteered with the Coast Guard Auxiliary, and then even did a couple times on patrol. I learned a very well-placed respect for those that service every day, whether that be first responders or military servicemen. And as an engineer, I hope that in some way I can contribute to their success. I have many projects. One that I'm most proud of was done with the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. We went on an endeavor to be a part of the robot soccer league, and I was in charge of a small team of peers to develop the goalie robot. Although full transparency, we weren't able to enter in that competition, we did completely flesh out the brainstorming process and the design stage to the point of mechanically testing some of the ideas that we had to see if they were good ideas. I did all the SolidWorks models for those, and the peers that worked under my direction had nothing but good feedback for me. One of my favorite things to do is learn things on the side, and I like looking at online resources, maybe YouTube or reading articles, and trying to learn new skills. One that I've done most recently is I learned how to make stock removal knives out of recycled steel. So I do have some examples here. Here's one I made out of a file, and on the weekends I go over to my parents' house and I use their tools to go through this. I start with the design process, then fabrication, and then material enhancement and heat treatment, and I finish with checking tolerances. And regrettably, I understand the problems with products when they're out of tolerance, and that goes to show you with this sheath that doesn't actually hold the knife, but this was another push dagger that I made out of a wrench. It's pretty cool there. I love, like I said, I love learning things on the side, but also just learning these manufacturing processes even at a base level will help me in my engineering career, because I have a little bit of hands-on experience with processes like that. I believe with my experiences and aspirations that I'd make a great addition to any engineering team that focuses on United States defense. And I believe that my distinct set of skills sets me apart from other candidates in my field. Thank you for your time, and I hope to talk to you soon.